We find that as businesses start to scale and they have their product on more places and they start shipping to more places, more customers, more countries, they really start to have problems with efficiency in the back of their business. So ShipStation is a tool that's easy to implement and that really drives efficiency in someone's business.
Yeah, I mean, we often find that it does get more complex as they start to scale and grow up, and ShipStation's goal is to really just aggregate those orders into a central dashboard where they can do pick, pack, and ship through the various carriers. It's really about efficiency. That's the big aspect of it, and it helps them save time through efficiency and also helps them save money through rate shopping across those carriers.